In this video, we're going to be covering how to apply a custom AuthentiSign layout that you've created for fast offers. So the first thing that we're going to do is log into AuthentiSign. Once you're there, you're going to click on Add. And then we're going to write in our client's name. So I'm just going to write Sean Smith. And then once you've done that, click on Save. Once you've hit Save, it's now going to open up the signing portion. So once you're here, we're going to go on the right side and click Docs. Once you're on Docs, click on Add a Document or Form, and this is where you upload the offer that you downloaded from Fast Offers. Once that's been uploaded, you'll notice that it appears on the left side. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on the name of the document under Documents and Forms, and you'll notice there's a section called Layout. Click on the Layout section, and let's choose the condo lease AuthentiSign layout that we've created and hit Apply. Once that's been applied, now it's time to add the signers. So that's you and the tenant. So first, we're going to add ourselves. So go to the Signers section and then click on Add Participants and then Add Yourself. Then we click on Save, and it asks you to set the signing layout mapping. So because I added myself, I'm the cooperating salesperson. I'm going to select myself and then click on Assign Signature Blocks. Once you've added yourself, it's now time to add the tenant. So we're going to click on Add Participants, Add New, and we're going to type in the first name of the client, the last name of the client, and also their email. Once that's done, click on Save. And you'll notice the pop-up appears again that says Set Signing Layout Mappings. This time we've added the tenant, so we're going to select Sean Smith as Tenant 1 and click Assign Signature Blocks. Now that you've done that, you can click on Close from the Signer section and start to review your offer. You'll notice that all of the initials and signatures and dates are exactly where they're supposed to be based on the AuthentiSign layout we've created before. If there's any changes that you need to make, if there's anything you need to do, take a look. And once you're fine to go ahead and send this to your client, click on Next and then click on Send. And that's it. Now you've successfully sent your offer to get signed by your client using the AuthentiSign layouts.